You're not going to get better at this by wanting to play. You're going to get better at playing by playing. My experience is that the more you play, the more you increase your chances of finding people who like what you do. But even more importantly, you get better at it. So if you play 6 times a year, it's going to take you till you're an old man to get really good at this. I mean, you got to put in your 10,000 hours. And the only way to do it is to do it. It doesn't count playing in your house. You got to play in a room where nobody cares and find a way to make them care. It's going to make you a better songwriter, and it's going to make you a better performer. And the only way to get really, really good at it is to do it. It's like going to the gym. You're not going to get muscles by looking at the weights or lifting 6 times a year. It's gotta be something that happens on a regular basis, and maybe not in Columbus or whatever town anybody's in. But the 60-mile radius is really helpful. And then maybe 75 miles and then 90 miles, and start having relationships with promoters in other cities and relationships with other songwriters in other cities. My suggestion is to do it as much as you possibly can. If this is what you really want to do with your life, you got to do it, and you got to find a way. Eventually, somebody's in the business is going to see your tenacity, and they're going to say, hey, I want to book that guy. That guy's going to work. The talent is one thing. Determination trumps talent every time.